Guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video we're gonna make this cursor hover effect using animation add-ons. So you can see that I have this type of images, and when I hover my mouse over that, so you can see that I have this type of text coming here, which is saying view, and you can fully customize this according to you. Okay, so right now you can see that we have this view, and when I move my cursor there, it goes, and when I bring it back, it comes back. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to make this type of effect using GSAP animation add-ons, cursor hover effect. Okay, so for using this I'm going to use a plugin. So the name of the plugin is animation add-ons. Okay, so let me show you the website of that animation add-on plugin. So you can see that here we can animate anything. So here you can see what things we can make by using this plugin. So here you will find so much information about this plugin. So here you can see all of these type of things which you can make by using this plugin. So you can see that here we have this video, and this video will expand on scroll. So you can also build that. Also you can see that we have this option here. You can just scroll, and this will goes up. Okay, then after that you can see we have so many pre-built websites. So you can just click on this. Suppose we want to view this. Okay, so you can view these things. Okay, so you can see that there are so many pre-built websites here with the animation. Also there are some free version and some pro version. Also I have made so many videos on this, so you can check out our playlist on animation add-ons. Okay, so here you can see that we have this horizontal scroll effect by using this plugin only, and this is very super easy to build by using this plugin. Okay, I already make a video on this, so you can check it out. Also you can see that here we have the pin effect. Okay, this is looking very good. Now let's go below. Here you can see we have the draw SVG effect. Okay, here you can see all the pricing and plans are there. Here we have the annual and lifetime plan. Okay, and here you can see for the one side we have 23.6, and for the 5 sides, 10 sides, 100 sides, and here you can see also the lifetime offer. Okay, so you can check it out. All the links are in the video description. Okay, also if you want to see what are the features of this, you can just go to the features, and here you will find so much information about this. Here you will go to widgets and extension also to check all the widgets and extension. Okay, so here you can see we have the text animation. Okay, so many types of text animation like this. So you can check out this website. Here you can go to widgets and extension. Here you will find all of the things. Also I have here you can see the template library, dynamic tags, all of these widgets there. Also I have made a video on this, so you can check out my videos in the playlist. Okay, here you can see these type of demos are there. Okay, so let's get back to our video. Here you can see we have to make this. Okay, so I will show you how to make this step by step by using the animation add-on plugin. Okay, so now you can see that on the setting page of the animation add-on, and here you can see that if I go to the widgets, you can see there are so many widgets are there. Okay, so you can check it out this. Here we have the site logo, nav menu, and animation of canvas. Here also you can check we have the extension option. Here you can check all of this extension. We have the scroll trigger. Here we have the animation, sticky element, text animation, image animation. You can also preview this. Suppose I want to preview this, you can preview this from here. Okay, so you can preview this also from here. I have already made a video on this. You can also check it out. Okay, like this pin elements. Okay, so now let's get back to the video again. So suppose we want to make this. Okay, let's remove this. So now you can see that I have the blank canvas. Okay, so let's make this. So first we have to add a new container here. So let's add a main container. Here we can name the container main. Okay, here we have 1300 max width. Okay, here we can add 80 pixel to the top and 80 pixel to the bottom. Here we can add a heading. Okay, here let's make everything in the center. Here we can write cursor hover effect using animation add-ons. Okay, here we can make everything black. Let's make this black. Okay, here we can make this black. Okay, everything is in the center. Now let's make that. So for that we gonna use a grid, simple grid. Okay, let's use this grid. Okay, here you can see we have 3x2. Let's remove all of the padding from the grid like this. Okay, then after that we can add a image, simple image. Let's add an image here. Okay, now let's choose the image. So we can choose this image. You can also go to this and make this as a media URL, and here you can see choose the lightbox. So when you click, this will come. Okay, so now let's duplicate this. Okay, let's duplicate this multiple times. And here you can see we have the second image, so let's choose the second image, this. Similarly, we can choose this image. Okay, then let's choose this image. Okay, then we can choose this image. Okay, this image. Okay, so you can see, let's choose this. Okay, so we have randomly chosen this image. Let's put some gap between this, so let's add a margin of some 30. Let's publish this once, and right now let's view it is loaded or not. So now you can see that we have this hover effect. Also, when we click on this, we have this type of effect. Okay, so now let me show you how to add that effect. So you can see you can add the effect anywhere. Suppose we want to add the effect in the whole container or in this grid only, so we can click on this grid. Okay, then after that you can see we have this so much animation effect, but we have to choose this image, this effect, cursor hover effect, and enable this. And here you will find this option that enable on editor. So it means, so in the editor also it will visible. Okay, so after enabling, you can see it is already visible here. Okay, so you can also change it. Suppose you can change it read more, or you can just click on this view more. Okay, so when you write view more, let's see. Okay, the image will be loaded in some time, so you can see it is saying the view more now. So let's go here. Here you can see cursor hover effect. Here we can also increase the typography of this, so let's increase the typography like this. Also, what we can do, here you can see we have the width and height, so let's increase the width of this also, so it will give you 200 width like this. Also, you can customize the color. Suppose I want to change the color of this white, you can change the color. Okay, so that text color is only white, so here we can change this to red. Suppose now you can see the color is changed. Okay, so in this way you can fully customize this like this. So you can choose any color. Okay, you can also choose the gradient color. Suppose if you want to choose a gradient, you can see we have the gradient color, and this is also looking very good. Okay, in this way you can make these things. Let's try to use this color. Now you can see we have this sun color. Okay, so you can fully customize this. You can also customize the shape of this. Suppose you want to add some more border radius, you can just add 100. Okay, so this is already in the circle. You can also add the border solid 2 pixel. Let's make this black. Okay, now you can see we have the borders. Okay, so in this way you can fully customize this, and let's publish this once, and let's have this small video. So now you can see this is coming view more. Okay, so now suppose you want to add different things. Okay, different types of things on, suppose I have a 2 section layout. Okay, and here let's have this. Okay, and I have the 80 pixel to the top, 80 pixel to the bottom, and suppose I have the 2 section layout. Okay, so this one section, have some, suppose, red color. Okay, let's give this height of 400, and the second section have the color of green. Also, let's give the height of 400. Okay, let me add some gaps here. Suppose I want to have different thing here on hover and different thing for this. Okay, so let's name this 1 and let's name this 2. So we can go to 1. Here you will find this option, cursor hover effect. Okay, here we can enable this. Here you can see I have this view, so this view will come here. Okay, we have to enable this. So you can see here we have different, and for this also we can enable. So you can enable different things for different. Suppose view enable on editor. Here we can write read more. So you can see here we are getting the read more, here we are getting the view. Okay, so you can see this is continuously changing. Here you can also change the color. Suppose I want to give different color here, want to give red. Okay, and here also we can give this color to white. You can see in the view we have this color, and in this we have the read more color. Okay, so in this way you can also fully customize this. So I hope you understand how to use the cursor hover effect of animation add-on plugin. Okay, so this is a very great plugin for the Elementor. Okay, you can see here we are getting the view, here we are getting the read more. Okay, so I hope you understand how to make this type of GSAP animation using this wonderful plugin animation add-on. If you are interested to buy this plugin, you can check out their website. Okay, there are so many cool widgets also. If you check here, I have so many types of widgets. Suppose if I go to this, here you can see there are so many widgets in the pro version. Okay, so you can check it out. One of these options. Okay, so I hope you understand how to make this type of cursor hover effect using the Elementor and animation add-on. So if you like, and also I make so many videos, I'm gonna make so many videos, so please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna make so many videos on this topic, and I will put all the videos in a playlist of animation add-ons. Okay, so you can check it out, this video also in the playlist, and there are many more videos are coming. Okay, so I hope you understand how to make this. So if you are new to our channel, like and share our videos with your friends, subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna see you next time.